Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper heart ring. So let's get started. So first, for this activity, we need a rectangular piece of paper. So I'm taking orange. You guys can take any color you like. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold the paper little by little until all the paper is over. So I'm folding it like this. So you guys can do it slowly. So after we complete this, we'll get a rectangular strip like this. So now I'm just going to fold the paper like this so that it will be easy to make a circle. So I'm just bending it until all the paper is over. So now after I bend it, I'm just going to be taking a glue bottle and I'm just going to be applying some glue on the corner part of the paper like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be rolling this part over it. So now I'm just rolling this. So now we'll have a base for the ring. So now we'll have circular part. So the next step is that we'll be making a heart. So for this I'm taking blue. You guys can take any color you like. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold both sides of the paper diagonally. So I folded it on one side. Now I'm folding it on the opposite side. So now I'm just taking one side of the paper and I'm folding it until the middle line, and I'm taking the other part and I'm overlapping it on top of the first paper like this. So now I'm just taking both sides of the paper and we have to fold it to the top part like this. So we have to do this slowly. So now we'll get a structure like this. And I'm just folding a paper a little bit on the top part and I'm also folding it on the sides so that it will look more like a heart. So after that we'll get a paper heart. So now we just have to apply some glue on the back part of the paper heart like this. So after we apply glue, we just have to stick this part on top of the ring that we made before. So if we do this, our paper ring will be ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!